I'm showing you this image when you came here to practice prepositions? Don't worry. You'll find out very soon. Look carefully at this room. Every single object you see is a preposition question, waiting to happen. 7 questions, 10 seconds each. Most people only get 3 correct. Let's find out where you...
The answer is B. At the desk. Not on, not next to, at. Here is the rule. On means you are physically on top of the surface, like actually sitting on top of the desk, which would be very uncomfortable and probably quite strange. At the desk means you are positioned there and engaged with it. Same rule applies. At the table, at the counter, at the board. Did you get it? Remember your score? Question 2 is coming, and it is sneakier.
The answer is D. All of them are correct. Under, below, and beneath can all work in this situation. But here is the difference you need to know. Under, directly below something, usually very close or with contact. Below, lower than something, not necessarily directly under it. Beneath, the same meaning as under, but more formal. You will see it in books, not in everyday conversation. In normal speaking, just say under. You will always sound natural.
A. On the wall. And this one is easy once you know the rule. On is used for surfaces. Walls, floors, ceilings, they are all surfaces. In the wall would mean it is inside the wall, like electrical wiring. Think of it this way. A painting on the wall. A crack in the wall. Big difference.
Okay, stop. This is the question that breaks everyone. I have seen B2 and C1 level English learners, advanced students, get this completely wrong. The plant is blank, the corner of the room. Most people say at, but think carefully. 10 seconds. This one is worth paying attention to. Go. The answer is C. I know, in the corner. You also think at, didn't you? Here is exactly why this tricks everyone. At the corner is for street corners. You meet someone at the corner of a road. In the corner is for room corners. Why? Because a room corner is a 3-dimensional enclosed space. 2 walls are meeting there. It wraps around the object, so we treat it like a container. And containers use in. Say it with me. The plant is in the corner. The sofa is in the corner. At the corner equals outside, street. In the corner equals inside, room. Write that down. Seriously.
D. All of the above. And yes, this is a gift question. You deserve it after question 4. Next to, beside, and by the side of all carry the same meaning. Adjacent, at the side of something. Here is your quick guide. Next to, everyday speaking, natural, casual, always correct. Beside, writing and formal speech, slightly more elegant. By the side of, descriptive or literary writing, more poetic. All 3 correct. Pick the one that fits your context.